Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your stereo on the Astra 2008 Vauxhall SXi, any version really, because it's the same inside. So yeah,
CD30.
this is CD30. We're going to be changing this out for a Sony one.
JVC.
Is JVC?
Yeah.
JVC. I thought it was Sony. Yeah, we're going to change it to a JVC one. So the way you get this out is, there's 4 pins here. You shove pins into them and pull them out.
It's a 2-pin that you put in.
Yeah, you pull the pin into it and you hold all of them and shimmy out. Simple as that. And with your new radio, you should get like a adapter thing there, which will make it fit in there. And you should get a cage with it, which is on there, as you can see. That's the radio itself. Alright guys. So what you want to do is disconnect the back of this with the ISO plug, whatever it is.
So that's the one.
So you just lift it up.
So that one, pinch by the sides.
Pinch by the sides and pull it up. And there's also a radio wire, you just pinch that and pull it up.
And that comes off easy as.
And the radio wire is there, you literally pinch it at the bottom and pull it out. Same as every other radio. For our one, we've got this wiring because we've already set it up before. So this is the wiring for it. So if you don't know how to wire, just let someone else do it for you. And that's all, the wiring's all set basically. So that's an adapter to work with the new one. So it recognizes everything. And the radio and stuff. And this is the new radio. So as you can see, JVC, very nice.
Right.
Okay. So there you go. There's the back of it. So you want to put this cage on, or does it come with it?
Yeah, it comes with
yeah,
the
it comes
cage.
with it. Depends.
But
yeah.
beforehand, obviously you've got all this, so like that. So you just want to sort that out.
And just plug it in first.
This one goes in this way. It might make this like unsettling noise, which you might hear in a second. Sounds like it hasn't properly gone in, but it has.
There you go. Got the click.
There you go. That's just properly gone in there.
And you just want to shove everything away. You just want to connect the radio wires and stuff.
Yeah.
These 2 wires as well.
So the main ones which you need is your red and black one. So when you look at it this way, your black one
goes on the right.
Yep, and left one. For the red, just put them in. Should be able to feel it click. There you go. And then that's your radio one.
That's your radio one, yep.
So that goes in. Just gonna cover it with the actual thing first. And then
yep, that's in.
Put that in there. You'll know it'll probably go in there.
Yep.
And then this is all just wiring.
That's all the wiring we've done.
What I've found is
just shove it underneath basically.
Yeah, there's like a little cubby by the side. So just put everything by the side over there.
And literally just shove it back in.
Yeah.
This should work on most radios anyway. Aftermarket ones. So you just shove it back in. And then you'll see you got a massive gap there, but you get a case with it. So we'll show you that as well. You slide it back in. As far as it goes in it, or does it go further?
It should go further. Won't be just a second. Check all the wires on these as well. Let's see if I properly put it away or not. Sometimes you might just have to play with the wires just a little, but nothing much. There you go.
Yep.
That should go in just fine.
Just shove it in.
There you go.
As far as you can go. And then now you see this gap around this edge. We literally just put the case on it. You should get that with it. As long as you order it for your radio. For your car, I mean. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There you go. So that's flush now. There you go.
That goes in a lot better.
So as you can see, it's flush with the body. And now we just got that one casing left. And after that it's done.
So this casing, you can literally just put it to your preference. I'm probably going to put it so that it's flush with, so you can see this corner here. Probably just have it so it's out standing there. Just in case if I do need to take it out ever in the future. This is the first thing that you need to take out when you are doing it. If you are looking to take it out in the future. We'll just have it flush with that low.
Push it in, yep.
You have to play around with it a bit.
It's all fiddly stuff, but you'll get it eventually. There you go, click it. There, once more. Just that corner there. There, I don't know. Sounds like it's clicking. That's in it.
That's all that on goes, to be honest. Or, if you're having issues that way,
Twist it around.
might be. We'll be back with a short ad. Imagine you put like an ad in this. Sometimes it could just be because obviously you put it in the wrong way.
The bear.
Yeah, that's a lot more better.
Yeah, that's more snug.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now switch on the car just to check it works. It's not plugged into anything, is it? Nice. She's working. Okay, that's working now.
See that?
That's working now, fine.
I've got this already set up, so this is
aux,
my aux.
yeah. So you just plug it in.
I've got
That
my
works fine.
iPhone 11, so I've had to get an adapter and everything. The way you'll do that is you'll press your source, go to aux, press that,
Plug your phone in and then there.
on in.
You could get Bluetooth one, but that's your
You can have
preference.
it colour changing as well, so you can see all different colours. You've got a colour flow as well. So if you wanted to flow, you can just flow constantly.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.